So yes, Manish, first of all, introduce yourself before entering into the snap of soil engineering. And you have interview for HPCL dated on 12th January
12 January
2023,
2023.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Manish, and I currently live in Nagal, district Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. And my father is a labor, and my mother is a household lady. And I did my schooling from my hometown only. And after that, I did graduation from IIT Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. And after that, I wrote GATE and get admission into IISc Bangalore. And I did my completed my post graduation in 2020. And after that, I joined under a professor as a research associate. And later, I joined a company as a data scientist intern for a 6 month. And from last 1 year, I am preparing for the government job. And my hobby is playing volleyball and playing with kids.
Okay, fine. My first question to you, Manish, we
Yes,
have to check the denseness of the soil.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
and how will you check it? Suppose this is the ground
Uh,
surface, that will be the natural
yes, sir.
ground that you are looking outside. You have to check
Yes, sir.
the denseness of this surface, this soil, and how will you check?
Uh, Sir, what will we do? We will calculate the first bulk density, like sand replacement method is there. One I can say, and
Okay,
we can calculate the water content in that by the Casa Grande method. And we have one formula, gamma dry density is there, and gamma bulk density divided by 1 plus water content. So, and gamma
gamma is the bulk density or unit weight?
bulk unit weight, you can say. Gamma is the
Bulk
bulk
unit
unit
weight.
weight.
Okay, okay, fine. How will you calculate the water content? What you said, the Cassie Grande test?
Yes, Casa Grande test.
Which one test? Please specify.
Like we took the soil
Hmm.
and uh, we took the soil and we add some water in that, and like we have two tools, Casa Grande tools and ASTM. So any
Yes, so
one of them we.
Manish,
Yes,
why
sir.
you are going to add water? Although you have to calculate the water content in that soil, na? You have to calculate the natural water content. Then
Oh,
why you
sorry,
are
sorry,
going to
sorry,
add the?
sorry, sir, sorry. I was shifted to the liquid limit. Sorry, sorry, sir.
Hmm.
So water content we can calculate by the oven drying method. So
Suppose the facility of oven is not available on the site.
suppose.
Facility of oven will not be available on site, na?
Okay, okay. Then there is a method like mm, uh, sand bath method, I think.
Sand bath
Or
method.
yes, uh, or calcium carbide method. Like there is some in situ test for water content. I'm forgetting. I'm not sure if calcium carbide method is in situ or not. Yeah, we can go
Okay.
with the calcium carbide method.
Okay. Have you heard this one? We also applying the correction on the water content. What value we are receiving? We are applying the water content correction, yeah, moisture correction, isn't it? Or we are directly
Uh,
using the what result we are getting from this these tests like sand bath method or calcium carbide method? What do you think?
no, sir, I have not heard about that, like water content correction.
Can you tell me code for determination of this water content of soil?
Uh, Unable to recall, sir. Like,
Okay, fine. Can you tell me what is the difference between consolidation and compaction?
yes, sir. Compaction is the process where we remove the air like from the soil, and consolidation when the soil is like after removing the air, and when soil is saturated in the throughout the process of consolidation, and we remove the water from the soil. Like this is the consolidation.
Okay, fine. Now I'm giving you a condition. Suppose this is kind of the river that we have.
Yes,
This is
sir.
a plan that I'm showing to you. That this is the river, and you are
Yes,
just very near to the river bank, or even you are at the river bank.
yes, sir.
So what you did, you just jump on the soil. What happened?
Yes, sir.
The expulsion of the water from the voids of the soil mass takes place. Now, question is that
Yes, sir.
will you consider it as consolidation or you will count it as compaction?
Uh, Sir, I'll consider it like consolidation.
Consolidation. Why?
Just because the water is coming out from the like pores.
Okay. Meaning to say that whenever water is coming out
Yeah,
from the
and
voids of the
soil
soil
is
mass.
fully saturated. Like one
Hmm.
thing is that like
Okay. Okay. There is a term or even coefficient. You must heard about this coefficient of consolidation.
oh yes, sir.
Coefficient of consolidation. So if we talk about the soil having a consolidation, a coefficient of consolidation with a higher value, so what it means?
Yes.
The soil will consolidate at the greater rate or at the smaller rate?
Uh, right. I think it is directly proportional to the time. So I think time factor will be more.
Okay, meaning to say that if the coefficient of consolidation is more, then time required to consolidate that soil is also more.
Yes.
Okay. Can you relate this consolidation with the permeability? Both are same or they are different?
No, no, no. Wait, sir. I want to change my statement that like if CV is more, then T is lesser because like TV is equal to CV T by D square. Yeah, like I just
Hmm.
time taking by the consolidation is less.
Okay, this will be less.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now my question was, can you relate this consolidation with the permeability? Both are same or they are different?
They are different actually. Yes,
Hmm.
sir. Yes, sir. CV is equal to K upon gamma into MV.
CV equal to K upon gamma into MV. What is
Gamma
gamma?
MV. Yes. Gamma is the like gamma is like dense unit weight of soil or water. I'm not sure. Like it should
What
be
is
water, I
MV?
think. MV is the coefficient of compressibility.
Coefficient of compressibility. Okay. Okay, fine, Manish. So I think right now I
Yes,
can
sir.
provide feedback to you. So what I ask you, see how we will
Yes,
just
sir.
calculate the denseness of soil. That was okay, fine. So first we will calculate the bulk density of the soil.
Yes, sir.
There are so many methods. Just go once with the method, Manish. Okay. So sand replacement method you have,
Okay.
core cutter test you have. Okay. What is the principle of these tests?
Okay,
How we
sir.
are calculating the bulk density? Just go with that one. And how we can calculate the moisture
Okay, sir.
content or water content of soil on site.
On
Of course,
site.
the
Okay, sir.
facility of oven will not be available on the site. So you
Yes,
have to
sir.
go with the certain method, like what you said, the sand bath method, that was okay. Calcium carbide method, that is also okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
And there is a correction in the moisture. Okay, there is
Okay, sir.
although
Yes, sir.
suppose if we are calculating the moisture content of the soil with respect to this calcium carbide method or with the help of this calcium carbide test, which is also known as a rapid moisture meter, RMM, rapid
Yes,
moisture
sir.
meter test, then we have to do a correction. Meaning to say that जो हमने water content निकाला है soil का, that will not be the water content what we require. That is the weight of water with respect to weight of soil solid. This is a ratio.
Yes.
But here the water
Yes, sir.
content is what? This is the weight of water with respect to the weight of the soil mass. This is kind of W prime.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this you have to take care, and see correction we are applying, and it is also mentioned in the book. Correction is like this one. See, आपने पढ़ा भी होगा मनीष.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait. Let me show you. जैसे हम वाइड रेशियो और पोरोसिटी में रिलेशन लिखते हैं ना, E इक्वल टू व्हाट? N अपॉन
eta upon 1 minus eta.
1 माइनस n. मान लो n यहाँ पे
Yes,
पोरोसिटी है, या ईटा अगर आप बोलो तो ईटा अपॉन 1 माइनस ईटा. This
Okay,
we
sir.
require. Here in
Yes.
place of this void ratio, we have this water content with respect to the soil solid. And this we calculated on the side. This is the moisture correction basically.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And what I ask you, the compaction and consolidation, go with the basic stuff. Compaction is your this dynamic process. This is we are applying a load on the soil mass. What is happening? The soil is showing settlement. But in case of consolidation, we are applying the load for a long term, kind of static loading we have, and it has been applied for a long term. Now consolidation, there is the expulsion of the pore water from the voids of the soil mass under laminar condition. The expulsion of water is there, but it should be in the laminar condition. That's why I just asked you a conditional question. Suppose if you suddenly jump on the soil and that soil is very saturated with the water, so expulsion of water is taking place. Is it consolidation or compaction? The answer is it will be compaction, because water is not expelling with this laminar condition. They are just turbulent flow is there.
Okay.
Fine.
Yes, sir.